Good morning, my dear students. Today, I am going to discuss tricks to solve NEET questions under the basic concept that under the unit Hydrocarbon. It is the 12th unit in plus 1. I am Dr.R.G, Professor of Chemistry, who is taking class for you. So this is the second part of the questions I am discussing. So as I have already informed you, again I am repeating, what are the topics you have to study under the hydrocarbon before entering into discussing the questions. So we know hydrocarbon means these are the main chapters included: alkane, alkenes, alkynes and aromatic compound. So in the theory, I have discussed very clearly the difference between alkane, alkenes and alkynes, and also how to identify an aromatic compound, what are the characteristic aromatic compound I have discussed. And also, so for any types of organic compounds, we must study first test for functional group. Here, unfortunately, we should not say the functional group, we have to say only unsaturation. So, number 2, classification. Number 3, naming. Under the naming, common name and IUPAC name we have to study. Number 4, isomerism we have to study. That is isomerism in alkane, alkene, alkynes we have to study. Preparations, general method of preparation. Under this, we have to study laboratory method, commercial method and the important name reactions we have to study. Properties, physical and chemical properties we have to study. And finally, the uses of first few members in each homologous series we have to study. So only after studying all these informations, you can be able to answer the questions, any question asked under the hydrocarbon. So let me go for the next question, that is question number 8, which was asked in NEET 2019. The question is, the number of sigma and pi bonds in pen-2-ene 4-YNE is A. 11 sigma bonds and 2 pi bonds, B. 13 sigma bonds and no pi bonds, C. 10 sigma bonds and 3 pi bonds, and D. 8 sigma bonds and 5 bonds. This also asked in IIT also. This question asked in IIT also. Now, let me introduce this question, what topic it is asked. That is, this question is coming under normally the basic concept of the organic chemistry, specifically hybridization. Since the question is asked under the hydrocarbon, so that is the alkene and alkyne, so we have to study under this. So let me discuss, kindly follow me. So, it is given very clearly pen-2-ene 4-YNE. So what is the trick here? You have to first how to write the structure of the compound. Then only you have to identify sigma and pi. You know already all organic compounds are made up of covalent bonds. There are 2 types of covalent bonds, sigma and pi, that we have already discussed under the chemical bonding. Under the covalent bond, we have discussed very clearly sigma and pi. Sigma is due to overlap of SS orbital overlapping sigma, sp orbital overlapping sigma, pp orbital head to tail overlapping sigma. And pp orbital, the head to head, tail to tail, that is lateral overlapping producing pi bond. This is theory. So let me write the structure of the corresponding pent 2-ene and 4-YNE. Kindly follow me. Let me write the structure. First, I will write 5 carbon atom. Please follow the tricks. This is the tricks. Please write 5 carbon atom. Always, conventionally we are writing functional group always at the right hand side. So better we will write number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Why I am writing at the top? Because sometimes if you write at the bottom, if there is any CH, it will becoming CH1 or CH2 like this, it will confuse you. That's why better, these are all the tricks you must know. So what is given? It is 2-ene, pent 2-ene. So pent means 5 carbon atom. 2 means I am starting from left side 1, 2. So in the double bond, I am writing a double bond. Okay. Then let me go for the next one is 4. 3, 4. Here again there is a triple bond. Please follow. So carbon is valency, it is 4. So I am satisfying all these remaining by hydrogen. Kindly follow. So see, this is 3 plus 1, 4 over, 3, 4 plus 1, 4 over, 2 plus 1. So this is having a hydrogen. And 2 plus 1, this is having a hydrogen. And here only 1 carbon, so better we have 3 hydrogen atom. Kindly follow. So this is the structure of pent 2-ene 4-YNE. Please follow. This is the based on IUPAC. IUPAC name is given. So if you do not know IUPAC name, you cannot write the structure, you cannot give the answer. So once after writing the structure based on the IUPAC name, here double bond takes priority over triple bond. That's why we are writing like this. We are giving priority for the number only for double bond. Kindly follow. So in this case, so how we have to find out the sigma and pi. The single bond, if it is coming, kindly follow inorganic chemistry. This is inorganic chemistry. In an inorganic chemistry, different way. Inorganic chemistry, single bond sigma, double bond 1 sigma 1 pi bond, triple bond 1 sigma 2 pi bond. So first let me count only sigma bond. That is 1. Here again 1. Kindly follow. Here again 1. That is this carbon again 1. So here 1. Here 1. Here 1. Here 1. Here 3. Kindly follow. This is the sigma. Please count the total number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let me please tick now. Kindly see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 sigma bond it is present. Pi bond, I already told you. If it is a single bond, double bond is here, 1 sigma, 1 pi, there is 1 pi. In triple bond, there are 2 pi, so totally 3 pi bond. So this is your answer. Please follow. How this is possible? Only if you know IUPAC name and structure, if you are able to write, this is possible. So correct answer is 10 sigma and 3 pi bond. So now we will go for the answer and verify. Kindly follow. Answer is C. 10 sigma bonds and 3 pi bond. This is the tricks played in behind the questions. Kindly follow. Let me go for the next question. Question number 9. This question was asked in NEET 2019. The most suitable reagent for the following conversion. Please follow. The most suitable reagent for the following conversion is. So here the starting material it is given is 2 butane. Correspondingly 2 butane. Arrow. It is producing cis 2 butane. The interesting important information conversion. Alkyne converted into alkene. Please follow. Alkyne converted into alkene. Cis 2 butane. So when it is converted into alkene, there are two possibilities. There are cis trans isomerism possible. This is cis. The another possibility will be trans. Kindly follow. CH3, H, CH3. This is H. This is the trans. So for this you must know what is cis trans isomerism. And also another is there. E and is that system also is there. Okay, kindly follow. So our question is, the starting material is this. The product, final product is cis 2 butane. They are asking which suitable reagent will convert this conversion. A, zinc and HCl. B, Hg2 plus H plus H2O. A, sodium liquid ammonia. D, H2 palladium carbon quinoline, or sometimes we can also use, instead of quinoline, we will use mercuric sulfate. Kindly follow. Right. We will go for the discussion. That is, this question is asked again under the topic hydrocarbon, specifically alkyne. Specifically alkyne. So let me discuss, kindly follow me. What is the discussion here is, so let me write the structure of 2-pentine CH3, C triple bond C, CH3. So what I am using, I am reducing the partial reduction in presence of hydrogen, palladium and carbon, and quinoline is a catalyst. So when we are adding this, kindly follow, or sometimes barium sulfate also can be used. Sometimes barium sulfate also, instead of quinoline, barium sulfate also can be used. So what will happen now? The product formed here, C double bond C, CH3, CH3, H, CH3 it is forming. Kindly follow, only this particular reagent convert this is into cis form. Cis means with respect to double bond groups, both groups are same side. Methyl, methyl same side, hydrogen, hydrogen same side, cis. If they are opposite side, we will call it as trans. So the reagent is hydrogen, the platinum, carbon in presence of quinoline or barium sulfate. Cis 2 butane in the product form. So our answer is clear. So this is another possibility. Please follow, my dear students. So this may be asked in future. Suppose if you want to get your trans product from same starting material, what is the reagent we have to use? So in this case we have to use, kindly follow, we have to use hydrogen in presence of liquid ammonia. Please follow. So this is a very, very important information, you have to keep it in mind. So if you use hydrogen, that is the, palladium, not platinum, palladium, carbon, quinoline or barium sulfate, the product is cis. Or if that is instead of quinoline, barium sulfate also will be given. So because some books will give barium sulfate. The another part, that is cis. If you use instead of that reagent, if you use hydrogen in presence of liquid ammonia, we are getting now trans. So that is cis 2-butene, this is trans 2-butene. Please follow. So this reaction, the conversion of into trans product is called Birch reduction. B-I-R-C-H. Birch reduction, this is called. I got very clear? So let me go for the option. Let me check. Where is the option? Option is D. Please follow. Hydrogen in presence of palladium, carbon and quinoline. So this is the suitable answer, correct answer. So next let me go for question number 10. This question was asked in the year under NEET 2019. So let me read the question. Please follow. An alkene A, please follow, this is the most important. An alkene A from the reactants on reaction with ozone and zinc plus hydrogen water gives propanone, acetone and ethanol, acetaldehyde in equimolar ratio. And addition of HCl to alkene A gives B as a major product. What is the structure of B? So they are asking what is the structure of B. So what is the tricks began? Kindly follow me. So this is definitely difficulty questions. Normally it is suitable for IIT advanced level questions. So you must understand what way this we have to approach. So this question was asked under the hydrocarbon, specifically alkene. So let me take, kindly follow, how to approach this, what is the tricks behind. So you write to first a rough idea. There is an alkene, please follow. The given alkene is A, they have given. So this A actually, how it is up to this alkene, it is undergoes product, there is a by ozonolysis, kindly follow. It is producing a mixture of two compounds. It is given as one is acetone, another is acetaldehyde. It is the information given. So these are, so you must know what is ozonolysis, what is the product formed, you must know from alkane. The second thing they have given, so this A, alkene, when you treat with the HCl, kindly follow, this is alkene, HCl, it is giving a product B, so this is an alkyl halide. Alkyl halide, it is formed. So what they are asking, what is the structure of alkyl halide they are asking. So what is the tricks you have to identify, you have to follow? From the products formed by ozonolysis, you have to identify A. Kindly follow. Just see, this is the first rough sketch. What you have to do, this is the tricks. So how to identify? Very simple way you can identify, I will tell you. From the product, you can identify A. After identifying A, addition of HCl giving the alkyl halide, that is very, very easy. Please follow. So this is the trick. So let me go for the first step. What is the first step? I am having follow two products. I am writing what way. This is the way you have to write. Keeping your functional group facing each other. And another is acetaldehyde. So I am writing like this. Kindly follow. So if you want to identify alkene from the aldehyde or ketones, you write face to face, then just remove these two oxygen and connect by double bond, you will get the alkene. This is the tricks present. Please learn the technique. CHCH3. So this is the alkane. Please follow. So we have identified the alkene. This is A, alkene. How we are identifying? Back method. This is called back method. From the product we are constructing the structure. Kindly follow alkene. What is the name for this one? Numbering I can give here 1, 2, 3, 4. Kindly follow. 2-methyl 2-butane. The alkene name is 2-methyl 2-butane. So they have already informed you, when you treat with HCl, what is the halide formed? That is the question. Now just see the double bond is here. The other side CH3, this side 2 methyl groups. Then according to hyperconjugation or the electromeric effect, you can use both. Hyperconjugation to identify the stability. For the reactivity, you can use electromeric effect. So electron releasing group. So the arrow moves like this. Electron flow by bond will flow from this carbon. So this is plus, this is minus. So the H plus and Cl minus. Kindly follow. So plus automatically where will come? Cl will come here. And single bond it will be. And here will be Cl. Please follow. We have identified the product. Sorry. This is Cl. Here it is hydrogen. HCl. So negative, positive plus H plus added. Here positive, negative Cl is added. This is according to electromeric effect. So we have identified the product. What is the product name? It is 1, 2, 3, 4 butane. Butane now saturated. 2-chloro-2-methyl butane. This is the product form. Kindly follow the tricks. So now we have to go for the correspondingly option given, and we have to find out where is this option. See here where it is. Answer is A. This is the compound. So now we have to numbering is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4. 2-chloro-2, this is according to IUPAC, 2-chloro-2-methyl butane. So this is the correct answer. Please follow. So this is the tricks behind this question. The next question, 11, which was asked under the NEET to 2020. Which of the following alkane cannot be made, prepared in good yield by Wood's reaction? Please follow. So what is the tricks behind here? You must know what is Wood's reaction, then you cannot answer. Unless you know what is Wood's reaction, you cannot answer. Options are A, N-heptane, B, N-butane, C, N-hexane, D, 2,3 dimethyl butane. So again, this question was asked under the topic hydrocarbon, specifically alkane, under Wood's reaction. Kindly follow. The question is, which of the following alkane cannot be made in good yield by Wood's reaction? So what is the basic information here? Please, what is Wood's reaction? You must know. Let me give a simple example of Wood's reaction. So, methyl bromide plus 2 moles of sodium plus methyl bromide in presence of dry ether. So it is removing 2 bromide molecules, sodium bromide, producing ethane. This is a very fundamental, simple example of Wood's reaction. So let me explain what is Wood's reaction. Wood's reaction is normally used to prepare an hydrocarbon, saturated hydrocarbon, that is alkane, containing even number of carbon atom. Even number of carbon atom. For odd number, it is not suitable. Let me explain why it is not suitable for odd number. So this is 1, so it is a double carbon atom. Suppose if I want to prepare propane, odd number. So what I have to take? So this is according to synthetic approach, synthon approach. This is MIT level. We have to cleave like here. So we have to identify the two reagents. What reagent? One is ethyl bromide, another is methyl bromide. So what I have to use now? Can you follow? Now I have to use ethyl bromide or ethyl chloride plus 2 sodium plus methyl chloride. So in presence of dry ether. So what will happen now? This is removed. Product will be, I am expecting propane. Please follow. We are expecting propane. But what is unfortunate thing that is happening? Drawbacks. So additionally, here 2 carbon atom, 2 plus 2 will form 4, N-butane. And this is 1. 1 plus 1 forms ethane. So additional to propane, here we are getting a mixture of N-butane and N-ethane. So this is the drawback, because we are getting a mixture of 3 products, but we are interested only propane. So this method, Wood's reaction, is not suitable for the alkane containing odd number of carbon atom. Now what we have to find out from the option given, you have to find out where is odd number, where is even number suitable. So let me go for N-heptane. Heptane means, kindly follow, 7 carbon atom. So this is the probably answer. N-butane means I can take 2 plus 2. Ethyl chloride I can take. Hexane means propyl chloride I can take. 2, dimethyl butane, let me write and see. What is? So as usual, you know the procedure. Butane, this is butane, 4 carbon atom. This is the technique we have to follow, tricks follow. So number is again the right number at the top. I told you already, you should not write at the bottom. So what you have to write now? 2, there is a methyl group. 3, there is a methyl group. Kindly follow. So 2 common atom. So remaining will be saturated. Please follow. So what will happen now? Suppose this is 3 plus 3, 6 carbon atom. So we can use. What I can use? This is by synthon approach. We can cleave like this. We can take correspondingly isopropyl chloride. 2 chloropropane, if you take 2 moles, in presence of metallic sodium and dry ether, you will get this compound. So all these 3 compounds can be prepared by Woods, but not this. That is the answer. Please follow. This is the tricks involved. That means Woods reaction is not suitable to prepare alkane containing odd number of carbon atom. Only suitable for even number. Kindly follow. So answer is heptane. N-heptane. Very clear? Let me go for the next question. Question number 12. Kindly follow. An alkene on ozonolysis, again under the ozonolysis, gives methanol. Please follow methanol. IUPAC name, methyl alcohol, common name. As one of the products, its structure is, kindly follow, its structure is. So what is the tricks here? I have already explained in the previous question. From the alkene can be converted into aldehyde and ketone by ozonolysis. Kindly follow. So that I can predict both alkene as well as product if I know the names of the if I know the alkene, I can identify the structure. If you know the aldehyde and ketone, I can identify the alkene. That is the tricks behind. Here they have asked formaldehyde, methanol means formaldehyde, it is produced, they are saying. So we have to identify in where there is a double bond, that is, kindly follow the terminal CH2 pressure. You should be there, kindly follow. So you have to identify the answer, the option is containing this terminal CH2, because when I do Voss analysis, you just add O here, add O here, you will get formaldehyde. This is another tricks. Kindly follow. So simply you can identify. It's a matter of few seconds. Just see here. Answer A itself, there is a double bond CH2. So this may be the correct answer. Here suitably alkane, that is substituted. This will not undergo. That is correspondingly the Voss analysis to produce formaldehyde. This again will not produce formaldehyde. This is not again formaldehyde. And also, my dear student, you should be careful. There is a double bond here. There is a double bond all here. That will undergo Voss analysis. Kindly follow. But we are not worrying about that. We are worrying about only from which compound formaldehyde is produced. Answer should be A. I told you. So, if you want to understand still clearly, let me explain some more information I give. Kindly follow. Let me take a simple example, I will find out. Kindly follow. Let me take now, suppose CH3, CH double bond, CH, CH3. How to identify what all the, through Voss analysis, what is the actual mechanism behind this. So I can write the structure is, kindly follow, CH, O, CH, CH3, this is the intermediate formed, and this for hydrolysis in presence of zinc, cleave here, cleave here, cleave here. The product is 2 moles of acetaldehyde. Please follow. Plus hydrogen peroxide, that is, it is forming. So this is the product. So let me explain the tricks here. How to identify from the product alkene and from the alkene the corresponding product. The first trick, how to identify aldehyde? Simply add a line. Add both sides oxygen atom, you can identify the product. Acetaldehyde, acetaldehyde, 2 molecules of acetaldehyde will be formed from this. Then what is the another tricks? How to get this alkene to butane? Very, very simple. How I have to get to simple? What is the product formed? 2 acetaldehyde. So you write acetaldehyde structure simply like this. Sorry. Acetaldehyde structure CH3, CHO. Then you write again another structure like this, facing oxygen towards. Remove these 2 oxygen. This is to find out the structure of alkene. So you will get the corresponding alkene. Please follow. These tricks will not be discussed in any book or anywhere. So this is based on my experience and 44 years of experience in teaching I am giving. This is the tricks you must learn. So if you know aldehydes and ketones, you can identify alkene. If you know the alkene, you can identify the products. So now we can come to the correct answer is A. Please follow. A is the correct answer. I hope you understand. Now let me go for the next question. Question number 13, which was asked in the year 2021. Please follow. Last year. The major product formed in dehydrohalogenation. Please follow. This is very important. Dehydrohalogenation. Reactions of 2-bromopentane is pentene. This product formation is based on A. Sesaf rule, Hans rule, Hoffman's rule, Huckel's rule. So you must know all the 4 rules. Then only you can be able to understand what is the rule applicable here. Kindly follow. So now I will give first explain the question now. The major product obtained in dehydrohalogenation. What is the meaning of that? Removal of HX is called dehydrohalogenation. So what is the starting product? Kindly follow 2-bromopentane. So let me go for 2-bromopentane. Kindly follow. Okay, I will write here 2-bromopentane. Kindly follow. So I will write again pentane. This is the trick, follow. You have to write the structure like this. Numbering is again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then 2-bromo, I will write here Br, CH3. So I have to satisfy with the valency to 2, CH3. So structure is ready. So what is happening now when it is undergoing halogenation, the removal of HX, hydrohalogenation, there is an elimination reaction. Normally suitable reagent is alcoholic KOH. Alcoholic KOH is a normal reagent. So there are two possibilities. Bromine and hydrogen from this carbon, carbon 1, it can be eliminated, one product. Or carbon 3 hydrogen can be eliminated with Br, HBr. So there are two possibilities. So this will be decided by the 4 rules. Either Sesef rule or Hans rule or Hoffman's rule or Huckel's rule. Let me come for first one. Actually here correct answer is Sesef rule. I will explain later. What is Hans rule? This is not at all coming here. It is coming under the inorganic chemistry electronic configuration. So we have to follow. Hoffman rule, again it is the rule, it is coming for the quaternary salt of ammonium hydroxide. Huckel's rule, this is to define aromatic compound. So only suitable answer here it is Sesef rule. So you must know all. So let me explain what is Sesef rule, then you can understand. Kindly follow. What is the Sesef rule says, implies that base induced elimination. Base induced means we can say alcoholic potassium hydroxide. Elimination, E2 elimination will lead predominantly to the olefin, alkene. The double bond is more highly substituted. Please follow, this is the rule. Sesef rule says the alkene during elimination of alcoholic KOH, the product will be always an alkene containing more number of substituents in the carbon connected by double bond. That is more stable due to the resonance structure that is called hyperconjugation. So that product will be more, the product distribution will be controlled by thermodynamics. So just see, I am writing the structure of 2-bromo alkane. So one product 2-pentene, another is 1-pentene. This is 2-pentene. This is 1-pentene. Kindly follow. So our answer is, Sesef rule says, the product containing double bond, the carbon having double bond should contain highly substituted, more number of alkyl groups. Just take here, there is one substituent in this carbon. Here is ethyl group, another substituent. So 2 substituents present. This is according to Sesef rule. Here you just see only one substituent, propyl group. So this is not obeying Sesef rule. So product is 2-pentane. This is highly stable compared to this compound. So answer is very easy. So the tricks kindly here. This is the answer. Sesef rule is the correct answer. Now, students, I have come to the conclusion. Thank you very much for the kind cooperation you have given to me so far. And if you are the beginner, first time you are seeing my video in YouTube, my video, NEET Chemistry by Dr.R.G. Let me give one important point. Why I have started this journal? Because for the last 3 years, we are suffering like anything from the corona without moving outside, simply sitting inside the home with what we can do. We cannot do anything. Only thing is, the fortunate we have the TV programs, songs or any movies. So what I was thinking of during that period, why can't you use this time duration unnecessarily 2 years? So better we'll do something good to social service as specifically poor students of India. Our country is a poor country. More than 80% are poor families. So why can't I, as a chemist, I want to help poor students, so that my experience I want to share with the students, not only for the plus 1, plus 2, but also for the school level, that is 8th, 9th and 10th topic also I have taken, included under the basic concept of chemistry, first unit I have discussed. You can raise me a question. So why not start for BSc and MSc? So you compare the total population, the studying in school is the higher population. So I want to help the higher population first. So that's why I want to start this journal. So the one important information given, I have already covered entire theory. Now I am discussing the discussion, tricks. What are the tricks behind this? These tricks will not be given in any book. This is based on experience I am teaching. I am giving to you. I am sharing with you. So good students, especially poor students, if you are a good student, interested, so you need not go to any tuition for chemistry. You follow my channel. 100% guarantee you will get 100 out of 100 marks. If you go for NEET, you will get 180 out of 180. I can give guarantee. Okay, this is for you. Now, there is another information for students studying plus 1, plus 2 and plus 2 completed. For you, I have a good news. I am running a veterinary coaching center in Pondicherry near bus stand for the last 20 years. And we have a lot of achievement. Everything you can see if you enter. Say for example, there is Chrome or any the agent you can enter. You just open Chrome, enter veterinary.s, our site. Please enter veterinary.s, our site will open. And go to the site. There is, and if you are using a phone, at the top of the phone there are 3 lines. You touch it, it will open. Register and log in. Register yourself, then automatically it will be getting. After registration, just you can log out, then you can log in again. Then go for free version is given. We are giving free version, NEET free, it is given. You click that NEET free, it will enter. You can see freely a model lessons for each subjects, 1 unit. And model tests for each subject, 1 unit. We have given. Please follow. So for students of plus 1, plus 2 and plus 2 completed, I want to give information. What are the achievements we have done in 20 years? Number 1, we started in 1919. In 2003, one of our students, R. Srinivasa Raghavan from Patrick School, came All India first in Pondicherry. The first time All India rank was taken by us in 2003 in Pondicherry. So far, no one has broken this record. Kindly follow. And also the same year, we got more than 20 students were entered into JIPMER. Very, very interesting. Few students joined IIT and few students joined in Pitts Pilani, hundreds of students joining other engineering and medical colleges. This is our achievement. The second achievement I want to bring to you, everything you can go to the home page and see achievement heading, click, you will see everything in photograph. Everything proof, we are not telling any lie. The Every year, minimum 10, maximum 20 students we are getting every year, going from Veterinary Coaching Center to JIPMER and studying. And other medical colleges, 150 to 200 students are joining every year through government quota by merit. Hundreds of students are joining in other engineering colleges, a few are joining IIT. This is the second achievement. Kindly follow. The third achievement is the most important. But out of 20 years, if you refer our record, if you see our home page, except a few years, most of the years out of 20 years, only our student got a Pondicherry first rank. The Pondicherry first rank means they will be in all India rank. There are minimum 2 or 3 students every year, they are in all India rank. That is different. But Pondicherry rank we are climbing as first, only from our institute. You can verify from the photograph given in the achievement. Kindly follow. This is the achievement. Now I will come for the features of veterinary doctors. So these students studying +1 and +2 are completed students. You can easily score 160 to 170 out of 180 each subjects by the joining with us at veterinary doctors. So provisions are provided there. It is teach you like a teacher, professor. He's a good teacher. Veterinary doctors is a very good teacher. It will teach you. It's classroom coaching you can available. What is there? Veterinary doctors is containing 200 video lessons, 200 unit tests. Please follow. 200 video lessons were taken by professor with a doctorate degree and 20 to 30 years of teaching experience in IIT and medical coaching. Also, they are teaching BSc, MSc and PhD like me. And so, under the video lesson, when they are taking the class, when we are viewing the lesson, you can feel home, that is your classroom atmosphere. Professor will stand in front of the board. On the board he will write. You can see everything we can like your classroom. It is not a magic. Ordinary classroom. Only thing it is recorded menu. That's all. It is the only thing we have recorded and given. And there is also provision with doctors. We can directly take online. Suppose I am sitting in my house. If I take a class here, the entire world can see. So we are not using any other source of program. Either cloud or China or Google or with our own site constructed by, framed by engineer Ganesh, my son. So he only framed for me. He is actually a software engineer. So based on my idea, he framed for me. I am using this. Kindly follow. So this 200, the lessons, the important information I want to give, full of abstract notes will be there. When the video is running, if you want to get any new information, you want to note, please touch the video. It will stop. Take notes or formula or definition or diagram. Then again touch, it will run. Any number of times you can repeat. You can move fast, you can move again. The guy from the icon used below. The same way, we have another important 200 unit test. Each unit of each subject we have 2 tests. For example, here hydrocarbon. So in hydrocarbon we have test 1, test 2, unit test 1, unit test 2. Why I have 2 tests given? This is to increase your capacity, quality. The first time when you write, you may have some drawbacks. So whatever doubts, whatever everything you will be having. So then we are teaching the techniques in these 45 questions. Once you learn the techniques, if you go for again the same unit the second time, you can see you can improve. So for example, first time you are getting 140 out of 180. After listening entire solution, each and every question we have solution, video solution. This is not available in any other online coaching like us. Then if you go for the second test, what you can observe yourself, your quality will improve. You will get 170 to 180. So that is the advantage of keeping 2 unit tests. So all the questions for this unit test were taken from 20-year question papers of All India IIT question papers, AIMS, AFMC, AIPMT, MSET Andhra, Delhi, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Pondicherry question papers we have used. Because before NEET examinations, all examinations the student have to write. They have to write JIP separately. They have to write AIM separately. They have to write Vellore separately. They have to write AFMC separately. Everything they have to write separately. So how we are tedious process for the student. Thank God the government of India who has done a very good job bringing all the students in a single platform NEET exam. This is a very, very good achievement done by government of India. I thank very much for this step taken by the Prime Minister. Now, the idea here it is, since all the questions are taken from the previous year question paper, what is the interesting information we have observed? For the last 6 years, we observed every year 75 to 80 questions are asked as coming from the Vetidatas question bank. So we have more than 10,000 questions. All questions are previous question paper. So 75 to 80 questions are same question repeated. That means Vetidatas giving you 320 marks to you. So by your own effort, good student, the hard work, sincere, and you can get some 300 plus. So 640 easily you are getting. That means if you follow Vetidatas, 650 to 700, you can score. Easily you will become All India rank. You will become a doctor. Please follow. You can achieve your goal. Before concluding this session, I want to give one more information. What is the interest in the case of test, unit test? So we have given 200 tests. Kindly imagine 200 tests. Each test will have 45 questions. Imagine. Each question will have the video solution, answer for each question. See how tedious. It was minimum 2 years I worked hard to record everything. Okay, let me come for the interest, the importance of the unit test, which is not available in any other online. Kindly follow. So if you enter our NEET datas after registering, then go for particular subjects. Say for example, hydrocarbon. In the chemistry, I have to click hydrocarbon. There is a window will open. The window will say this hydrocarbon unit will have 45 questions. In each question there are 4 options. One of the option is correct. If for correct answer 4 marks awarded, for wrong answer -1. Are you ready? It will ask. Then immediately you have to keep a rough notebook and pen to work out the problem if it is necessary. Then click OK, a window will open. What is the window? In the window you can see question number 1, you can see option A, option B, option C, option D you can see. And below that again there is a clock will run in yellow color. Clock will run 45 minutes, it will go down to 44.59, 44.58 like that. So time is going on. Because it is more important, within 45 minutes we have to complete. Then below that there is 3 menu. One is C, complete, center, right side, that is next, left side reverse. That is if you go next question. If you go reverse question. This menu is also there. And below this, most important, not available in any online, that is 1 to 45 questions. In yellow color, it will be there. Yellow color. What is the advantage? Let me explain. Suppose a student, you are taking the test. So after clicking OK, you are reading the questions. Though you can observe what topic, then you find that A is the correct answer. If you click A, what will happen immediately? The question number 1 here, that is number 1 to 45, no? That number which was in yellow color is turning to green color. The question number 2 will become blue color. All other questions will be in yellow color. My dear student, listen me. Suppose after 20 minutes, you want to assess what is the time remaining, how many questions I have to write, everything. So that can be observed by our ventilators. How the clock will say the remaining time. And you see the 1 to 45 question, whatever question green that you have attended. What is the question remaining? It will be in yellow and blue color. See, very easy. According to that, you can adjust the time, go quickly or slowly complete. After completing all the questions, you click complete. Remember, if the question is not known to you, is not understandable to you, the answer is not known to you, don't attempt the question, don't unnecessarily lose 1 mark. Then after completing 45, click. When you click, a wonder will happen. Again, another window will open. A window. In the window, you will get marks. Say, I told you 140 by 180. What is the meaning? That 40 marks you are losing. Either you have left the question or wrongly corrected, the wrong answer you have given, it is adjusted such a way that you are getting 40. So you want to verify which question is right, which question is wrong, you have to verify. That is the provision for you. That is, next to the mark, there is a menu called review. Review. You can see again the question, that is review. Window will open. Press review, window will open. In the question number, again 1 you can see. Option A, option B, option C, option D will be given. Below the D, there is correct answer. It is written, correct answer, then answer is given. Option is given. Below that, there is video solution. Please follow. What are the options are given? You are seeing the correct answer, yellow color. Here, your answer, suppose you have answered A, no, I told you. A will be in blue color. Please follow. Your answer will be in blue color, correct answer will be yellow color. Compare these two. If they are same, your answer is correct. If they are different, your answer is wrong. Please follow. So you can easily identify what question, where you have done mistake, how many questions you have done mistake. So that you can verify from the video solution, the techniques and method you can follow. Kindly follow this is the easiest method to learn the technique. Once after completing this test, immediately just you know all the techniques. Better you go 1 to 45 questions and see the video solution. It will take minimum 2 to 3 hours. Take separate notebook, note everything, the question number and video solution, important information, formula, definition, diagram, whatever you need, anything if you want. Then go for the second test, hydrocarbon 2, test 2. Now you see, previously you got 140. Now you can observe, you will be getting more than 170. 170 to 180 you will get. How your quality improved? Petty daughters have given you, we trained you. What way? By giving video solution, explaining the tricks behind. So I have explained, when I was discussing the questions under the hydrocarbon, what are the tricks I have explained. The same way, each professor from each subject, they will explain the tricks on the question. Please follow. And another most important feature of petty daughters is the low cost. Only 10,000 rupees per year we are collecting. If you go for other online leading coaching, 1 lakh, more than 1 lakh they are collecting. So I want to help our poor students. So 10,000 I am collecting. 10,000 per year is not difficult for even poor students. They can pay. Even government students, they can join with us. So there are number of complaints are there. So for government students, there is no coaching. The government students, they are not able to study NEET, etc. So that problem can be solved here. So if any government wants to help poor students, especially in villages, they can pay 10,000 rupees and they will help these students so that they can join with your daughters and they can learn. Because here, Daughters is not an ordinary software. Even at a time, more than crore people can view at a time. It will cloud, it will expand automatically. Kindly follow. So, how to pay the 10,000 rupees? In the name of Sandhi, Director of Veterinary Coaching Center, Indian Bank account number 712719471 and IFSC code IDIB000P134. And if you want to contact me, my cell number 9894176425, this WhatsApp number also. My dear students, so join and become doctor. Thank you very much for the kind cooperation. See you again in my next topic. Bye-bye.